A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 1 MC size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen facilities provided at check-in. Location of the hotel is fine. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and dining policies. If you are planning to book it, you can refer to the link provided in the description. If you are interested in side of property, this hotel will be us by completely with the link. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.